Sparklers can be fun if used safely. They can burn at more than 1000 degrees. Imagine the damage to your or a young child's skin. Store them in a closed metal box in a cool, dry place. Never give a sparkler to a child under 5. Show children how to use them safely and supervise them when they do. Wear gloves and only use one at a time. Keep at arm's length, away from your face and other people. Don't use sparklers in crowded places. Never run with one. Keep them away from loose or flowing clothes. Dispose of used sparklers, hot ends down, in a bucket of cold water or sand. Leave them there. They'll stay hot for a long time. Sparkle safely.